Getting started with Spotify after signing up is simple and straightforward. Follow these steps to complete your setup and start enjoying your music. Step 1. Download the Spotify app. Visit the App Store on your device, Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS, and search for Spotify. Download and install the app to your device. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Set up your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. You can add a profile picture, update your display name, and customize your profile to make it more personal. Step 4. Explore music preferences. Spotify will prompt you to select your favorite genres and artists. Take a moment to choose the options that resonate with you. This helps Spotify tailor recommendations and playlists to your taste. Step 5. Create playlists and follow artists. Start creating your own playlist by selecting songs you love. Additionally, explore and follow your favorite artists to stay updated on their new releases and concerts. Now you are all set to enjoy your music experience on Spotify. Explore, listen, and have fun discovering new tunes.